All right, thanks for joining me again. I'm going to show you the inside of the house that we're building, and then probably show you a little bit of drone footage from AJ Willis. So just to give you guys a little update, the last time that I was on or doing a video, we were getting the block put on. Now we got it framed. So we're just waiting on trusses. Hopefully the trusses will be here next week. But I was going to let you know, if you're interested in helping or volunteering time down here with any of the hurricane relief, go to Boones Creek Christian Church's website. I go to a satellite church from the main campus, but if you go to that website and sign up for hurricane relief, I know Justin Davis is one of the main guys that is putting a lot of boots on the ground, a lot of people in different places. But just like this, we got this framed up from a crew out of Pennsylvania. Total rock stars. Dennis and some of his guys came down and framed us up. Not only did they come down, they came down on Thanksgiving. They worked Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in the freezing cold. So just to give you guys an idea that of what God does, it is just amazing that people that we don't even know want to come down and actually help. Okay, so right here is the kitchen, and as you're walking through, you'll see the living room with the big French doors. To the left, the pantry and the mudroom, and then back to the kitchen, and a big window for the table. So we're walking through the pantry into the mudroom, and you see the window, and then we have a door to the left looking out. And then I'm just going to walk right through the living room. And Kevin, the guy that we're building for, right there he is, walking back through the other side. The bathroom, that's where that'll be, with the window above the shower. And a small bedroom for his grandkids. And then his master bedroom over here at the front with another big window. Once the old house is tore down, he'll have a beautiful view of the river. And the river is beautiful. It just so damaging, like you see right here with his old house. That is the house that we just saw, water up to it. And then that's his old house that was washed away. So this is a picture and video of Saturday with the guys working. They were putting up a couple walls. On the inside, these are the guys from Pennsylvania, and just an amazing shout out to them to come down and work in the frigid cold and give their time and their Thanksgiving weekend up just to come down and help complete strangers. So this is a view of AJ Willis coming down the river. You can see the road that's completely destroyed. It connects over around by Taylor Bridge Road, and I'll have some more video of that up here in a minute on this, but it just gives you an idea of the river and it. And of course, to the right's Arnold Road, but it completely just wiped everything out on that side and the other side. I'm zooming in on the old train trestle from Emerville. This was destroyed years and years ago, but the middle piece that was in the river is now gone. The side did withstand the flood, but just give you an example. You can see the dirt, the lighter colored dirt and sand where the river was up to. And it's still just devastating. But here is a home that is they're trying to get it fixed to where they can rebuild on the inside of it. And of course, there is Kevin's house, who we're building it for, and above that, in the corner, is the KOA, which was completely destroyed. All right, so here is the other end of AJ Willis Road, and I'm just going to take you a little bit of a tour on it. I took the drone off from the old Doc Willis house, which is no longer standing, and I'll show you a picture of it in a minute. But you're coming up on the corner. All of these houses through here were destroyed and damaged. I think there was maybe 5 or 6 homes right through here. But if you go on around the corner, which I did not take the drone on around the corner, the road is destroyed there too. So you can't get all the way around AJ Willis Road. You have to basically go one side or the other side. And I'll show you a little bit more of the AJ Willis Road. I just sort of left the drone down low and just flew it along the road. Right there was the driveway of the old Doc Willis house. So I'm flying back toward Taylor Bridge from AJ Willis, and the area right at the pine tree in the center of the shot right here is the old Doc Willis place. Again, that was a staple of the community. That's where a lot of people went when they were sick, back before I was born. You would go see Doc Willis. I've heard many stories of things that he cured, from poison ivy to chicken pox. So if you're in front, directly in front of this on the picture is a buddy of mine's house, Teddy Henley, who lost everything in the flood. The only thing that's left of his property is the concrete driveway, but he had such a beautiful place that you could get to the river, and my dad and my nephews many a times have got their raft out at his place, and Teddy's a great guy. Just another sad story to this flood that took so many people's property. Thank you again for watching Broyles Outdoors. Just please continue to lift these people that have lost everything up in your thoughts and prayers. And again, if you're wanting to volunteer and you're in this area, go to Boones Creek Christian Church on the website and sign up for some hurricane relief. It would be greatly appreciated. Until the next time, thanks again for watching.